morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Josephine.
Good class. Please arrange your chair and arrange yourself. And before we start our discussion, please, Miss Diaz, can you lead the prayer?
Okay, Ma'am. Classmates, are you ready to pray?
Yes, we are.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Good morning, Ma'am.
Good
Morning, Ma'am Josephine.
Blessing.
So, class, before I start our discussion, let us first watch the video that I've prepared. And all yung gagawin nyo lang po is mag-observe kayo kung ano pa yung nasa video. Okay?
Yes, Ma'am.
As you can see, we have a bar station here. This is basically a workplace for one bartender. You should be able to make pretty much all your drinks from this spot. You don't have to walk any further to go and grab anything else. So what you have here is your speed rail. So this is your rail where you store all the bottles that you need most of the bar can. This is where you store your napkins, your top straws, your shorter straws. Make sure you fill it up before every shift. Also here, we're using cocktails. Over here, the most important part was the ice well. You're using lots of ice when you're making cocktails, so it's really extra compartment for your cubes and also for your crushed ice. And because of that, it's filled up this area here as well as chilled, so you can keep your fresh juices there, and then still cold for the rest of the shift as well. Also, I like to keep all my any cocktail. So you have here, you have your cocktail glass, your long drink glass, short drink glasses, pretty much any cocktail that you want.
That's the end of the video presentation. So based on the video, what is your observation or insights about the video that I provided? Anyone? Yes, Miss Diaz.
So, based on it's talk about the parts of the bar. It shows the bar station where the bartenders mix different kinds of liquors and different kinds of tools and equipments are shown in the presentation.
Very good observation, Miss Diaz. So let's come now to our discussion. So our discussion for today is about operate bar. So, learning objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, students will be able to first prepare bar for service, second take drink orders, third and serve drinks. So, what is bar preparation? Yes, Miss Nalaman.
Bar area before service to ensure smooth, efficiently, and sanitary operations. As well, prepared bar allows bartenders to work quickly and safely while providing quality service customers.
It refers to the process of setting up or preparing a bar counters or bar service, and it is to ensure the service smooth, efficient, and sanitary. And also, a well-prepared bar allows bartenders to work quickly and safely, providing the quality to the customers. So next, what is front bar? Anyone? Yes, Miss Diaz.
I think front bar
is the customers facing area where guests and orders drink. So kung saan dito nag-order yung mga guests natin, and yung bartenders is located behind the bartenders. So as you can see in the pictures, we have different liquors here and different juices that a bartenders have. So it contains shelves, liquor bottles, tools, and decorations that used for displaying spirits, mixers, and premium alcohol. So next is under bar. So area below the bar counter where bartenders work. It includes speed rails for fast access to bottles, ice wheels, and other equipments and tools that use in bartending. So next is work counter. So work counter, a preparation area for bartenders. So dito na po nagpe-prepare yung ating mga bartenders for the liquors and for the mixing liquors. So next is glassware area. So what is glassware area? Anyone? Yes, Miss Diaz.
Glassware area, as you can see, these are the parts of the bar where all the types of glasses, whether it is has a stand or not, those are the glasses that are used in putting the prepared mix by the barista or our bartenders for the order of the customers.
Great answer, Miss Diaz. So, as sa mga sinabi mo, these are the glassware. These are the different glass na makikita mo sa glassware area. Lastly, we have POS or cashier. So, anyone? Yes, Miss Nena.
POS or cashier po, receipts. Yan po yung mga tumatanggap ng pera, mga receipt po.
Thank you, Miss Nena. So, tama po ang sinabi ni Miss Nena. Dito po sa POS or cashier, dito sila nagbabayad, and dito din binibigay yung receipts or yung mga sukle ng ating mga guests. Next. So, bar tools and equipment checklist. Before service, the bartender must ensure the availability of the following. So, we have essential tools. So, should listen to them carefully. Kasi may mga tips po tayo ng mga guests na kapag hindi mo sila nakakinggan agad, is magagalit sila agad. So, third is ask clarifying questions if needed. So, ask them politely if talagang hindi mo naiintindihan yung mga sinabi ng ating mga guests. And the fourth is repeat the order for accuracy. So, at the end of the taking drink orders, you need to repeat their orders accurately para malaman natin if may mali pa sa na-list natin na orders nila or may idadagdag pa ba silang orders. And fifth is record order clearly. So, dapat nakalist yung ating orders in a clearly way. And lastly, thank the customers. So, why we need to thank the customers after taking orders? Yes, Miss Nana.
We need to thank the customer because for buying and for coming to a bar. And thank you.
Thank you, Miss Nana. So, tama po ang sinabi ni Miss Nana na you should thank the customers dahil bumili sila and pumunta sila sa ating bar. Next is serving drinks. So, who can read? Yes, Miss Bumita.
Serving drinks is one of the core responsibilities of a bartender or a food server. The way you serve a drink reflects the hospitality standard of your establishment. Serving drinks properly ensures safety, accuracy, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. Today, we will discuss the proper satisfaction.
Thank you, Miss Bumita. The core responsibilities as a bartender or a food server. The way you serve a drink reflects the hospitality standards of the bar or the establishment. So, for example, ito yung ating drink and so when we are serving, di ba, ang ginagamit natin yung kamay. So in a drink, pwede siyang ganito lang. Ganito lang siya mag-serve. Yan. Ganito lang siya mag-serve. And please demo it or serve it with safely para hindi natin matapunan yung ating guest. So yung mga boy bartender naman natin, pwede silang mag-serve ng mga drinks or ng mga any foods ng ganito lang. So, yan. So, diba? So, yan. Yan. So, we have steps in serving drinks. So, step 1, prepare the drink. Step 2, carry the drink properly. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na we need to carry it properly para hindi natin matutunan ang ating mga guests. Third is approach the customers professionally para hindi magalit yung ating customers. And as a bartender, we need to professionally communicate with our guests. And fourth, we have to serve the drinks carefully para hindi matapunan or para hindi natin matapon yung drinks sa table nila. And step 6, we have to confirm and offer assistance. So, if we confirm natin if the order is right, if it is correct. And lastly, we have to thank the customers. So, kapag mag-aalis na tayo, we have to thank the customers. So,
convoy ng ano, dapat ano din po siya sa shoulder kasi para
Thank you, Miss Nena. Let's clap our hands for Nena. So, who can demo on how to approach the customers or how to take orders properly on the customer? Yes, Miss Diaz.
Nalimutan ko, sabi mo approach tapos take.
Take orders. Di ba para take orders po tayo, nag-approach tayo.
Ang comment na yun. Approach.
Approach. Like for example, ako yung customer mo, Miss Diaz. Ano yung approach mo sa akin?
Ano ba yung pinaka?
Hindi.
Tapos na po. Last na yun.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning po. Welcome to Baras Bar. What? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to Baras Bar. By the way, I am Nicole, your food server for today, and as the barista. So, ma'am, what is your order?
Can I order 1 martini and 1 tequila?
Any order po?
You have nachos and fries.
So, ma'am, repeat order. You ordered 1 martini, 1 tequila, and 1 nachos and fries.
Yes, that's all.
Thank you, ma'am. For a while, ma'am.
So, thank you, Miss Diaz. That's our time for Miss Diaz. So, the way na nag-demo si Miss Diaz, ganun po yung pag-approach and pag-take orders. Magpapakilala muna, and then you take orders, and then you repeat orders. And for a while, isi-serve na natin yung drinks na in-order po nila. So, thank you very much for the demonstration. So, okay, let's have before we have an assignment, let's have first an assessment for our discussion today. Okay, I've prepared here a sheet na nasasagutan nyo sa aking assessment there. You have 5 minutes to finish that assessment, and then sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung assignment nyo. So, tapos na po kayo?
Yes.
So, pass it forward. So, thank you everyone. And for your assignment, this is not a typical assignment na magsusulat kayo or everything na mag-research kayo. Kung hindi, prepare yourself for the laboratory activity for next week. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng bartending activity for next week. Mag-prepare kayo ng mga mix, liqueurs, and spirits na i-prepare nyo next week. So, that's all for today, everyone. Thank you very much. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for listening. Have a nice bye-bye away. Bye!
After the discussion and demonstration last meeting, we are now conducting a laboratory activity where they are mixing different liquors, and after mixing, they will be presenting their liquors that they've prepared.